Wondering when is the best time to trek Sar Pass? Each season offers a unique experience, from lush green meadows to snow-covered trails. In this video, I'll break down the best months for Sar Pass Trek based on weather, difficulty level, and scenic beauty, so you can pick the perfect time for your adventure. Let's dive in! Overview of seasons. Sar Pass Trek is accessible for most of the year, but each season presents different conditions and challenges. The ideal time to trek depends on whether you prefer snow, greenery, or fewer crowds. Best months for Sar Pass Trek. April to June, spring and early summer. This is the most popular trekking season. The snow starts melting, making way for beautiful trails with blooming rhododendrons and green meadows. Expect moderate temperatures during the day and cold nights. The difficulty level is moderate, and the trek is scenic, with a mix of snow and greenery. July to September, monsoon. Trekking during this period is not recommended due to heavy rainfall, slippery trails, and the risk of landslides. However, if you love lush green landscapes and don't mind the rain, some adventurers still explore the lower regions of the valley. October to November, autumn. The post-monsoon period offers crisp weather and clear skies, making it an excellent time for trekking. The trails are dry, and the views are breathtaking. However, the temperature starts to drop, and nights can be very cold. December to March, winter. Sar Pass transforms into a winter wonderland with heavy snowfall, making it a paradise for snow lovers. However, the trek becomes extremely challenging, and only experienced trekkers with proper gear should attempt it. The temperatures can drop well below freezing, and many routes may be blocked due to snow. Recommended time for different trekkers. If you want a balanced trek with pleasant weather and scenic beauty, go between April and June. If you prefer fewer crowds and clear skies, October to November is ideal. If you love snow and adventure, December to March is perfect but requires experience. Avoid July to September due to monsoon risks. Final tips. Book your trek in advance if you're planning for peak season, April to June. Carry warm clothing, even in summer, as temperatures drop at night. If trekking in winter, ensure you have snow gear and hire an experienced guide. Now that you know the best time to visit Sar Pass, the next big question is, how much does it cost? Watch my next video for a complete budget breakdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trekking guides.